another bloody eyed morning, but I'm off to get some breakfast. The famous poha jalebi of Jabalpur, and yeah, hopefully they'll have some piping hot jalebis. Let's go find out. We have arrived. Okay, so the goods have been secured. Let's eat. And here it is, my friends. Jabalpur's poha jalebi with piping hot samosas. Okay, so I'm all ready because it's a very exciting day for me and for you guys too, because my parents' neighbor, who has been their neighbor since they started living here. So my mom got married, came to this house, the auntie got married, came to the other house, and they've been neighbors since they got married. So they've known each other forever, and we've eaten her food growing up, because in India, whenever you make food, something special for your family, you make a little bit extra for that neighbor of yours. Not all the neighbors, but you have special connections with people. And she has agreed to share with me two of her favorite, like all her food that she cooks is amazing, but her two things which I remember the taste of, I've asked her to make it for me so that I can share it with you guys. So I'm gonna go now and film the recipes with her, and I cannot tell you how happy this makes me, because it's something I've been wanting to do for years, since I started, doing the cooking profession, really. So right, yay. Okay, so I have just come back from two aunties' places, and they both made the most delicious meals. I've shot two recipe videos with them, so please do stay tuned, because a brand new series is coming on my YouTube channel very soon, and it's my favorite and my best series so far, so please do stay tuned. So we shot, and I've eaten so much, but my mom's friend has just messaged to say that she's sending some food for me, and there was no possibility of saying no, so more food is coming. I'll show you what she will send me. Okay guys, so this has arrived from mom's friend's house. This is makki ki roti, sarson ka saag. So sarson ka saag is greens, and makki ki roti is made with sweet corn flour. This is a proper North Indian winter food, which is only made in the winters, and it's just incredible. The ways of how I have filmed these vlogs. Oh, wow. I haven't had makki ki roti sarson ka saag in years, because we don't come to India really in the winter season, and this is only served in the winter, so it's delicious. Right, we are off to get some more snacks, more food. So we have arrived at a famous bhel puri wala. He literally started the stall 10 minutes ago, as in he's just started for the day. We thought we were going a bit early, but he's just started for business. I can't wait. Sev puri, that's bhel puri, and it looks incredible. It's insane. Best I've ever eaten. Dahi patata puri. So much street food everywhere. Stall after stall. Busy street stall. So we're back from having the delicious bhel. I'm again eating some chikki, which is jaggery based kind of sweet that only gets made in the winters. It's apparently all goodness and blah blah blah. So I'm gonna finish my day with this, and I also just bought another pan to have after my chikki. And that's a wrap for today's vlog. I know I couldn't show you what I ate for lunch, but I promise you it'll be worth the wait. So do stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.